Much for joining us on this Sunday morning. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Hannah Evans is in the Weather Center. Busy forecast for you up to the north of us. We're seeing snow. For us here, we're just seeing kind of some fog, and that's the situation here.
Yes, so we are seeing fog in the Mohawk Valley and in the southern valleys right now, but we are going to be seeing some light snowfall today. Little accumulation is expected, but we probably will all get to see it.
Okay.
So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Right now we are seeing snow showers to the north of us and to the northern part of Oneida County. But once again, this snow is going to become widespread. Little accumulation is expected. I'm expecting 1 to 2 inches in the Mohawk Valley, less than an inch in the southern valleys, and about 2 to 3 inches up in the North Country. We are still pretty warm outside. Our temperatures are ranging in the 30s. We are in the 20s up in the North Country where that snow is happening. Our temperature will continue to drop today. It will be very cold overnight tonight and for tomorrow. So we are seeing some snow showers today with little accumulation expected. That change over to snow happened early this morning when that rain last night changed over to the snow, and we are going to be seeing colder and drier weather ahead, especially for the day tomorrow. But for today, we are seeing some snowfall, and the temperatures will begin to drop into the mid-20s, and I will be tracking when this snow is coming to an end coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are dealing with some fog here in the Mohawk Valley this morning, as well as some snow up north that we will, most of us, be seeing for the day today. Let's take a look at our CATV tower camera. We can't really see much. We are seeing a dense fog up here on top of Smith Hill, but we are going to be seeing some snow and a drop in those temperatures later on this afternoon. So we do have a winter weather advisory in effect. This got extended to all of our area, all of Oneida County, Herkimer County, Otsego, Shenango, Madison, Lewis. We all have a winter weather advisory in effect until 7 p.m. tonight. This is just due to that mixed precipitation ending here this morning, and we'll see a little bit of snow accumulation. Not much. Looks like the most amount of snow will be seen up north. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still seeing some snow this morning up north, especially north of Old Forge and in all of Lewis County. We're also seeing a little bit of snow kind of moving down to the central part of Herkimer County and to the northern part of Oneida. This snow will become widespread, but it is going to be light in nature for the day today, and it does look to come to an end this evening. So here is our radar and satellite showing that we are seeing some snow here this morning, and it will continue to shift into the east and kind of to the south as well. So keep an eye out on that. It is going to be very light in nature, but could be some slippery spots on the roadways. So we are expecting about 2 to 3 inches up in the North Country, only about 1 inch in the Mohawk Valley, and even less than an inch in the southern valleys here today. And it is looking to end in the evening tonight, so it will not last that long. Our temperatures this morning are ranging in the 20s to 30s. We are in the 20s up in the North Country where that snow is occurring, in the 30s here in the Mohawk Valley, and the same thing goes for the southern valleys this morning. Our temperature will continue to drop throughout the day. We already saw our high temperature, which was in the mid-30s. It will continue to drop today, and overnight tonight get very cold with our temperatures in the teens and the single digits. Let's look at all that on our Skycast. We are seeing some snow up north this morning. It will become widespread later on today with little accumulation expected. Our temperature will continue to drop, and that snow will end in the evening hours tonight. Now, overnight tonight, we are going to be seeing temperatures in the teens and even the single digits for some areas. And for Monday, it is going to be very cold and quite breezy. We are only going to see highs in the low 20s and the breeze coming out of the north, so we are going to be seeing wind chill temperatures down to 0 for some places. Now, overnight Monday into Tuesday, once again getting very cold, and it will warm up a little bit on Tuesday compared to Monday, seeing temperatures in the mid-30s for the high instead of the 20s. But for today, we are going to be seeing some snow showers. We do have highs in the mid-30s that happened this morning, and that temperature will continue to drop. Overnight tonight, we will be seeing temperatures in the teens and the single digits, and we will be seeing decreasing clouds. So for tomorrow, it is going to be mostly sunny but very cold. We have breezy conditions and highs just in the low 20s. Warming up a little bit for Tuesday and even more on Wednesday, with our next chances of snow on Thursday and Friday. Now back to your trivia question. How many minutes of daylight do we gain in January? Katrina, do you have a guess?
Take a stab in the dark, 39 minutes, B.
So I have good news. Actually, it's D. It's 51 minutes. It's not showing, but it's 51 minutes. So that is always a good thing. We're going to gain almost an hour of daylight.
That's nice because
Yes.
it gets just downright dismal this time of year.
Yes, so we're just going to continue to gain daylight
Beautiful.
and it'll be good. Yes.
Aw, thank you so much, Hannah. Well, students at a Texas high school.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing some fog here in the Mohawk Valley and in the southern valleys, but we are also seeing some snow up north this morning. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We can't see much at all. We are dealing with a dense fog up here on top of Smith Hill. We also have another winter weather advisory in effect. So last night, if you do recall, this was only in effect for the northern part of our viewing area, but now all of our areas, including Oneida, Herkimer, Otsego, Madison, Shenango, and Lewis counties are under this winter weather advisory in effect until 7 p.m. tonight. This is due to that mixed precipitation that already happened this morning and some snow accumulation that will happen later on this afternoon. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we can see here that the mixed precipitation has moved out into the east, and we are dealing with some snow right now, especially in Lewis County and the northern part of Herkimer, as well as Oneida County is dealing with some lake effect snow. This is going to shift east and it will shift a little bit south, so all of us are going to be seeing some snow today, but again, little accumulation is expected. So here is the radar and satellite showing that we do see that mixed precipitation from earlier has since weakened and diminished. We are now dealing with lake effect snowfall in the area for today. So this snowfall is going to be very light in nature. We are only expecting about 2 to 3 inches in the North Country, about an inch in the Mohawk Valley, and even less than an inch in the southern valleys today. So we are still not really getting a lot of snowfall just yet. Our temperatures this morning are ranging in the 20s to 30s. We are in the low to mid 20s in the North Country where that snow is happening right now. As the snow is progressing to the areas, our temperatures will continue to drop. So in the Mohawk Valley, we are ranging in the 30s, and the same thing goes for the southern valleys. We already reached our high temperature today, which happened this morning, and it was the mid 30s, and our temperature will continue to drop throughout the day and overnight tonight. So let's look at all that on our Skycast. We are seeing some snowfall up north, and this will become widespread throughout the afternoon hours today. This does look to clear out in the evening after 6 p.m., and our skies will become partly cloudy overnight. Now, our low temperatures tonight are going to be very cold. We are going to be seeing temperatures in the teens and in the single digits for some areas. Tomorrow will remain very cold. We only are looking at a high in the lower 20s and some areas even the teens. So again, it is going to be very cold tomorrow. We are going to be getting a breeze from the north as well. So we are going to be experiencing wind chill temperatures down to 0 degrees in some areas. Now on Tuesday, it is still going to remain cold in the overnight hours, but it will warm up pretty quickly on Tuesday with high temperatures in the mid-30s instead of the 20s like on Monday. Before today, we are going to be seeing some snowfall this afternoon. Temperatures will continue to drop throughout the day. Overnight tonight, we will see our temperatures drop into the teens and the single digits, with those skies becoming partly cloudy. So we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies tomorrow, but very windy and very cold with highs just in the teens and the 20s. Warming up a little bit on Tuesday and even more on Wednesday before our next chances of snow come on Thursday and Friday. Now back to that trivia question, how long is 1 year on Jupiter? Katrina, do you have a guess?
I think maybe it's B, 7 years.
Okay, the answer is C, 12 years.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I always like the space trivia questions. I like to throw one in there every
Right,
once in a
because
while.
it just takes that much longer.
I know.
Unbelievable.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Hannah. After the break, why 2022 could be the year of the goat for the travel industry.
Thank you for joining us. We'll get into those stories in just a minute, but first let's head over to Hannah, who's been tracking those dropping weather. Hannah, will it continue to snow today?
Snow showers still in our area right now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but the snow is looking to end overnight and those temperatures are going to drop pretty quickly tonight. So let's look at our radar. We do see the snow is shifting to the south and to the east, but after this shifts, it will come to a stop and it will not snow anymore later on tonight or tomorrow. Our temperatures are already getting pretty low. We are in the teens up in the North Country and in the 20s elsewhere. Our overnight lows tonight are going to be in the single digits and in the teens. We are going to be seeing a very cold temperatures tomorrow due to a breeze outside. So that snow will end tonight. Those temperatures are dropping pretty quickly. It is going to be bitter cold tomorrow. We have wind chill temperatures in store below zero. So again, make sure you bundle up tomorrow. It is going to be pretty cold, probably the coldest day of the season thus far. This evening, we are still seeing some snow showers and temperatures are in the lower 20s. And I will be tracking those wind chill temperatures for tomorrow coming up. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. The Utica
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing some snow showers in the Mohawk Valley right now, but they will slowly be coming to an end overnight tonight. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera. We can't really see those lights shining as brightly. We are still dealing with low visibility up here on top of Smith Hill because of those snow showers. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we can kind of see these snow showers are moving off into the southeast and will eventually come to an end overnight tonight. Overnight, the skies will become partly cloudy and we will see no precipitation tomorrow. See, the lake effect snow is slowly coming to an end. We are not seeing any more bands forming over Lake Ontario. And after this snow does clear out, that will be it for today. Now, our temperatures are dropping pretty quickly. We are looking at temperatures in the teens up in the North Country right now. We are in the lower to mid-20s in the Mohawk Valley, and the same thing goes for the southern valleys. Overnight tonight, it is going to get very, very cold. We are looking at temperatures in the single digits and in the teens. And for tomorrow, we are going to be very cold. It might be the coldest day of the year thus far with a wind chill. So here's a look at our wind chill temperatures. So at noon, the temperature should be in the upper teens, but it is going to feel like the single digits and even below zero in some areas, like Boonville is at -6, Inlet feeling like -1 degrees, Utica feeling like 4 degrees. And by 7 p.m., getting even colder. Utica feeling like 2 degrees, Cooperstown feeling like a -4. Same thing goes for Boonville. So if you are going to be outside tomorrow at all, make sure you do bundle up. It is going to be very cold out there with a breeze, making it feel a lot colder than what it actually is. Along with these cooler temperatures, we are going to be seeing drier weather. It is going to be exceptionally dry tonight, Monday and Tuesday. We'll get a little bit better on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, but again, it's still going to be dry, so maybe a good time to break out the humidifier. Let's look at everything on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies tonight. We will see temperatures in the teens and the single digits. Now, waking up tomorrow, we are going to be seeing temperatures in the teens, in the single digits, with mostly cloudy skies, and that breeze will form into the afternoon hours. We're looking at highs in the low 20s, but we are going to be getting a breeze from the northwest, which will make it feel a lot colder than what it actually is. That breeze will slowly die down overnight into Tuesday. It is still going to be cold. We are not going to be seeing any wind chill temperatures from this. It is going to be a little bit warmer on Tuesday compared to Monday, with temperatures in the low 30s. Once again, here's the Skycast showing you that we're looking at temperatures in the teens and in the single digits for tomorrow. And as we get into Tuesday, it is going to be getting a little bit warmer than how it was on Monday. Again, this is the Skycast from that. So for this evening, we are looking at temperatures in the low 20s with some snow showers. And tomorrow it will be cold and breezy with a high in just the lower 20s. We are going to be seeing temperatures a little bit warmer on Tuesday and then again on Wednesday with some snow showers on Thursday and Friday. We'll be right back.
Your forecast tonight, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
The snow from today is coming to an end overnight tonight, and we will slowly start to see those temperatures dropping, and we will be seeing bitter cold temperatures for tomorrow. So that snow is coming to an end overnight tonight. The temperatures are going to be dropping. We are going to be seeing much colder temperatures tomorrow, maybe the coldest day of the year thus far. because we are also going to be seeing quite a breeze, making it feel a lot colder than it is. So here is a look at the wind chill temperatures at 8 a.m. feeling like 2 degrees, even though we will be in the teens. Even at 4 p.m. our high temperature will be in the low 20s, but feeling like 12 degrees outside. Now come overnight hours of Monday into Tuesday, we will start to see these temperatures warm up and we will be warmer for Tuesday. But as you are heading out the door tomorrow, temperatures will be in the single digits and in the teens. We will only warm up to the low 20s for some areas for the high temperature, dropping right back down into the teens overnight to Monday into Tuesday. So for tonight, we have a low in the teens, some areas even seeing temperatures in the single digits. And I will be tracking out that wind chill for tomorrow coming up. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. A new
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
The snow from earlier today is finally coming to an end overnight tonight, and we will be seeing those temperatures dropping pretty low into the single digits and the teens. Let's take a look at our tonight's low temperatures. We are looking at around ranging in the single digits to the teens. We have 1 degrees up in Old Forge, and no, I did not forget another number behind the 1. We are looking at 4 in Boonville, 11 in Utica, 10 in Rome, and in Waterville. If we go down south, we have 13 in Cooperstown, also 13 in Herkimer. So we are getting pretty cold tonight, and we will develop a breeze overnight into early tomorrow morning. So we are going to be dealing with some wind chill tomorrow as well. So here's a look at our wind chill temperatures in the morning. We are going to be seeing temperatures in the below zero range for wind chill. We have -1 in Inlet, -6 in Boonville. It's not really going to get much better during the day. By 7 p.m. we are still going to be seeing temperatures below zero for the wind chill. We have 0 degrees in Herkimer, -4 in Boonville, -3 in Hamilton. So it is going to be very, very cold tomorrow. I am guessing that tomorrow is going to be the coldest day of our winter season thus far. But it is going to get a little better. We are going to be warming up on Tuesday to high temperatures in the low 30s. Better than being in the low 20s tomorrow. On Wednesday, we are going to warm up to near 40 degrees, so another taste of spring once again. We are dropping back down to Thursday and Friday, but next weekend, next Sunday, it does look to warm up to near 40 once again. Not only is it going to be pretty cold for the start of this week, it is going to be very dry. So if you are heading to bed tonight, the air is going to continue to get dry. So the humidifier, I would recommend having it on a high setting. Same thing goes for Monday and Tuesday. It will get a little better, bringing some precipitation, but that precipitation does look to be some snow for Thursday and Friday. So once again, the humidifier would probably not be such a bad idea. So it is going to be pretty dry and a lot colder this week in comparison to last week. So let's look at all that on our Skycast. We are seeing temperatures tonight fall into the teens and the single digits. It is going to be very, very cold tomorrow. We're only seeing highs in the low 20s, and we are getting a wind from the north, so that is bringing even colder air. Again, it is going to feel much colder than the actual temperature outside for tomorrow, so make sure you do bundle up. The wind will begin to die down overnight into Tuesday, and on Tuesday we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies once again and high temperatures in the low 30s and not the low 20s. So for tonight, we have our low in the teens. It is turning partly cloudy overnight, and tomorrow it is going to be very cold and breezy. We have that wind coming in from the northwest at 10 miles per hour with the high in the low 20s, feeling about 10 degrees cooler in the teens for the high temperature that day. So we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies tomorrow, Tuesday, more clouds than sun on Wednesday, but still remaining dry and a little bit warmer. We do have some chances of snow on Thursday and Friday, but drying out for some sunshine once again on Saturday.
Thank you, Hannah. Coming up next.